Welcome to the second lecture of Human Resource Management. In the first lecture, we have seen human resource in construction sector, staffing policy and patterns, human resource management process, human resource development process, performance appraisal, and now in this lecture, we'll be seeing job evaluation, training and career planning, a role of ERP in human resource management. In that, we'll be seeing resource information system. Now, let us see job evaluation. Job evaluation is the process of analyzing and assessing the various jobs systematically to ascertain their relative worth in an organization. Job is evaluated on the basis of their content and is placed in the order of their importance. The following objectives are derived from the job analysis: to gather the data and information related to job description, job specification, and employee specification for various jobs in an organization, to compare the duties, responsibilities, and demands of a job with that of the other jobs, to determine the hierarchy and place of various jobs in an organization, to determine the ranks or grades of various jobs, to ensure fair and equitable wages on the basis of relative worth or value of jobs. Difference between job evaluation and performance appraisal. So, job evaluation, it rates the job, whereas the performance appraisal, it rates the job holder or who is performing that job. In job evaluation, it rates the job keeping in view the responsibility, qualification, experience, and working condition, whereas in performance appraisal, it rates a job holder on the basis of his or her performance. In job evaluation, it is the purpose its purpose is to determine wage levels of different jobs, whereas for performance appraisal, it is done for the purpose to give the effects to promotion, transfer, assess training needs, offer rewards, awards, and punishment. In job evaluation, it is rated before an employee is appointed to hold it, whereas in performance appraisal, it is evaluated only after the employee has been hired and placed on a job. For job evaluation, conducting job evaluation not is not compulsory, whereas in performance appraisal, it is compulsory to conduct it on regular basis. In job evaluation, it is done by a committee consisting of internal and external experts, whereas for performance appraisal, it is done by employees themselves, peers, and supervisor, or combination of all these. A training. A training is viewed as a short-term learning process by which employees acquire the technical knowledge and skills necessary to perform effectively their tasks and responsibilities. Wayne Casio defines training consists of planned programs undertaken to improve employee knowledge, skills, attitudes, and social behavior so that the performance of the organization improves considerably. The importance of the training is that uh, it uh, it gives emphasis on innovation, teamwork, optimum use of resources. It provides motivation to the employees, customer satisfaction, absenteeism reduction, and employee turnover reduction. Methods of training and development. So it can be categorized into two things, that is on the job methods and off the job methods. On the job methods, that can be job rotation, planned progression, coaching, and counseling. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of the on the job methods, that is simplicity, quick learning, multi skill, and economical. The disadvantage can be low productivity, disturbance, errors on production, etc. Off the job methods, that can be classroom methods, simulation, conferences, reading and references, seminars, and workshops. So the advantages and disadvantages are: it is a effective method, minimizes errors, and economical, and no disturbance is there. Whereas its disadvantages can be dissatisfaction to the employee, and there is no actual production doing by the off the job methods. A career planning. Before that, we should know what is a career. A career can be defined as all jobs held by a person during his working life. Career is represented as an organized, well timed, and positive move taken by an individual across time and space in his lifetime. Now, what is career planning? Career planning can be defined as a systematic process by which one decided his or her career goals and the path to reach these goals. Objectives of career planning can be to build commitment in the individual, develop long range perspective, ensure organizational effectiveness, allow individual to achieve personal and work related goals. Importance of career planning can be career planning, it helps the individual to explore, choose, and strive to derive satisfaction with his own career objectives. These are the stages of career. Exploratory stage, the first stage can be the exploratory stage, second will be establishment stage, the third will be mid career stage, next will be the late career stage, and finally it will be the decline stage. Career planning process. So the first step can be analyzing employee needs and aspirations. The second step will be analyzing career opportunities. The third will be identifying match and mismatches between aspiration and opportunities. And finally, the fourth step is action plan and periodic review. Now, the next topic is the role of ERP in human resource management. Now, the role can be explained as below, that the ERP application in the different software modules can be like, the first one will be the recruitment and retention. ERP can be used to maintain the record of college visits of a company, that is campus drive taken for recruitment process, candidates from consultancies and their resumes, list of candidates available for full-time, part-time work, etc. And this will be the database which will be in their ERP of a particular company's human resource management team. The second will be training and management. So ERP can be used to track the newly enrolled candidates who are undertaking training process. It also maintains the course description of the training module, course availability, review course assessment, traces the training cost, and fixes a training budget. Finally, ERP records the employee's performance during the training period, which will be useful to be reviewed by their superiors. Now, the next rule can be payroll. The employee's attendance and their time of entry to work and exit are entered in the system to determine the number of work hours can be used can be done using ERP. It can also include the process of calculating the taxes and deductions from the salary. The next role can be of performance. ERP can also maintain the history of employees' performance and determine the number of employees eligible for reaching a certain level of hierarchy. The next is the succession planning. Also, with the help of ERP, those employees who are well qualified at work could be moved to the next level or hierarchy. So these are some of the roles. Now we'll be seeing next point, that is human resource information system. A human resource information system is a software or online solution that is used for data entry, data tracking, and the data information requirements of an organization's human resources management, payroll, and bookkeeping operations. A human resource information system is usually offered as a database. So, human resource information system is geared towards enhancing the capacity of HR management to absorb new and promising technologies, simply simplify workflow, optimize precision, stability, and credibility of workforce data, and finally simplify the deployment and collection of data. An efficient human resource information system provides administration of all staff data, reporting and evaluation of staff data, company related records including staff handbooks, disaster evacuation methods and security recommendations, rewards management such as enrollment, status modification, and updating of personal data, comprehensive integration with payroll in addition to the other accounting system and financial softwares. So thank you very much.